거랑 해서. 아니, 진짜요? 많이? 안에 이동.
Hi everybody, it's Anna. Finally, after a long break, I come back. Busy time with Christmas and everything. Oh yes, so we are today on Jeongno-ulga, just in front of Gwanjang-sijang. It's just behind us. I'm planning to go for the camping, and it's gonna be exactly no same camping I did before. You know, it's a winter. I need my all the new gears and to make my trip safety. My plan is spend just 1,200,000 won. It's about $1,000. Without this, you cannot survive it. I can say like this. You must have. I really need it. My budget is kind of limit. Try to buy everything new. So let's see and let's hope I can find everything what I need and prepare for my winter camping. Let's go. It's right here. Shoes. This is on sale. This is on sale. Step in here. They have a few nice shoes in here, so I hope I'm gonna find the nice ones. Chink. I need high winter time. I need to have very well protection. I think even higher than this. Other big problem for me because all the mountain climbing shoes, they are very heavy. But this one I like because it's very high. If I buy the shoes, almost half of my limit is gone. And I have 12 more stuff to buy, which one is mostly more expensive and more bigger. 이거 신발 어디 만들어요?
독일 브랜드.
독일.
네, 독일 마인드.
German?
독일.
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 독일. 나 친구요. 독일. Our neighbors. Here is holding much more better. Nice. So let me see. Human.
마인드.
이거는 59,000원.
59,000원. The pot was good, but I think the pot was too small. So I would have to do super stressful. The cheapest stuff, and the price is around 400, 300, 400, 500, 600, 600, 600. And I have no backpack, no tent, no sleeping bag. I have nothing actually. It's very important to be lightweight, but we need two mats. One need to be the ground, another one make you more comfortable to sleep. All from the ground. Okay, so we could go on my list.
12만 원인데 그거는 겨울용이 아니고요.
This one because it's good for winter. 80? 86?
87만
7만 원. Oh, size is bigger.
아니면 지식할 수 있어서 환기도
아, 이거 폴란드만 만들어요?
폴란드 사장.
나 폴란드 사람이야. 이거 더 무거워, 이거 더 무거워.
이게 더 가벼워요. 요거는 1.7kg. 요거는 2kg 정도.
I would prefer to buy this one, even it's a little more heavy, but he gonna protect me very well from the wind. And how we know on the top of the mountain in the winter, wind is the biggest challenge for us. Well, it was 800, if I could remember. I'm a bit worried. I still have no tent. I saw one and it was very expensive. I don't have sleeping bag.
이쪽이 전부예요.
First thing I can. 얼마예요?
3만 원이요?
3만 원?
네. 어두운 색깔 찾으시는 거죠? 잠시만요. 지금 메리를 남아서 입고 와줘야 될 것 같아요. 지금. 네. 아니면 이게 저희가
This one is 45,000. So I prefer stay with other ones. 이팩.
뒷팩이요.
네.
이쪽이.
That's probably gonna be the smaller one.
Excuse me. Do you need a small one?
The small one.
아, small is this side.
아 여기 2만 원.
2만 한 7, 8천 원 정도 하거든요.
네 감사합니다. It's for small backpack, and I'm probably not gonna have the very big one. This is special for keep your food fresh. See the same one here. Now, and then I need to have sleeping bag goose feel inside, hot, and then most light. Problem of the if I wanna get goose one, it's always charged over 1,000. Feel it's super light. I can easily do it by one hand, and I can feel it's very hot because this one is much more heavier. Oh, I think this is also very nice. And it's writing that temperature minus 29 degree. It's good even for minus 29 degrees. So it's not bad. And the weight is 1.7 kilogram. You know, guys, I'm from Poland, and the other shop have a brand from Poland, from Goose. So I think I'm gonna go for that. I remember how it was 950,000, and I think it's best for me. Compared with this, what I can sit here, yeah, I'm gonna go with that one. Still Polish. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, so we have a choice sleeping bag. We have a choice tent. We have a choice shoes. I need my backpack. I have everything and I have nothing to put it in. Okay, let's go check backpack. Time a much smaller backpack, and I find out that backpack is super important to buy from the special shop because it's very important when it's a finish. I was before using the borrow backpack and it hurt me a lot on my waistline because it wasn't good for me. I know now it's winter, so we need something bigger. Minimum 70 liter. So this kind of, it's no. Heard Osprey. It's very good brand. I recommend. I'm gonna check it out. Let me see. 이거 세정이야.
네. 네.
70리터 이거 다 들어가? 아,
충분히 들어가요.
들어가요.
근데 이제 겨울 장비로 넣으시고
많이
같은 모델에 이거는 우먼스, 이거는 이제 남성용.
아,
구성이 달라요. 우먼스 같은 경우에는 우먼스 핏으로 돼 있어서 디자인이나 기능은 다 똑같은데 벨트 라인이 얘는 가슴을 피해가고요.
나도 계속
구성이 어깨가 상대적으로 좁고 골반이 넓잖아요. 그래서 얘는 골반이 넓게 돼 있고 가슴을 이렇게 피해가요. 그래. 한번 매보시고 먼저 한번 해보실게요.
여기요?
네, 느낌만.
오케이.
어깨를 이렇게 냈을 때 이 어깨 라인이
네.
가슴을 누르지 않고 옆으로 이렇게 피해가죠. 얘가.
아, 네.
이게 남성용과 여성용의 차이예요. 실제로 무게를 놓고 등판 길이를 피팅을 저희가 해드려요. 길이에 맞게. 그래서 보시면 이런 부분이 다 열리는 부분이거든요. 여기 찍찍이로 열려서 미세하게 조정이 되고요. 이런 식으로 얘네들이 다 떨어져요. 그리고 얘를 빼가지고 원하는 사이즈로 저희가
와, 진짜.
피팅을 해드릴 수가 있어요.
이렇게 피팅 하나 해볼래요?
네, 피팅 가능하신데요.
네.
피팅을 하시는데 시간이 한 30분에서 길게는 1시간까지도 걸릴 수 있어서. This is your bone.
Yes.
Holding your only your head. Yes. Okay. This is your 16 inch. But your bone,
Bone
is
is
very
wide.
wide.
Yeah.
Poland. Poland. 말했잖아?
Oh yes, that's right. Do you like camping?
A lot.
A lot.
I will show you how to packing the backpack.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you.
Sorry, my English is very short, so
한국만 괜찮아요.
yeah. Downside it must be big volume but low weight.
Okay, I
Yeah. So
understand.
example,
Sleeping bag.
sleeping bag or tent
Tent.
or mattress.
Mattress.
Yeah. Packing the backpack, you must relax your
Everything,
back. Everything
okay.
is open. 모래주머니. 네. 한국말로 말씀드려도 돼요?
네, 네, 배워줘. 나 한국말 알아요.
한국말.
말이 조금 힘들어요.
항상
네,
배낭에
네.
내 등이랑 가까운 쪽,
네.
내 목이랑 내 등이랑 가까운 쪽에는 무거운 거.
오케이.
그래서 보통-
여기
네.
앞 파트
네.
봐요.
우리나라에서는 디팩을 많이 써요. 디팩 안에다가 이제 음식,
네,
물, 푸드가 제일 무거워요.
아, 네, 알겠습니다.
볼륨은 작으면서 무겁기 때문에
자, 여기요.
네. 당신의 토르소 사이즈가 손님의 토르소 사이즈가 여기서부터 여기까지예요. 얘를 절반으로 나눴을 때 이 아래쪽이 가벼운 거, 여기 위에 쪽이 무거운 거, 그리고 여기서부터 다시 머리까지는 가벼운 게 와줘야 돼요. 네. 그래서 가벼운
가벼운.
쿠션이에요. 내 몸에서 멀어질수록 가벼운 게 와야 돼요.
오케이.
내 몸에 가까운 거는 무거운 거, 내 몸에서
여기서.
멀어지면 가벼운 게 와야 돼요. 이런 식으로 머리에는 항상 가벼운 게 와야 돼요. 가벼운 거. 이쪽은 이제 슬리핑백이나 텐트. Low weight, but big volume. And close to body,
무거워요.
무거운 거. 그리고 몸에서 먼 쪽은 다시 가벼운 거.
가벼워.
그리고 내 머리, 헤드 쪽은
엑스트라.
가벼운 거. 이렇게 해야지만이 내가 맸을 때 몸이 very comfortable.
안 아파요.
네, 안 아파요.
자, 이제 진짜 바꿔요. Now you can see.
This is 16 kilogram.
I can do one hand.
But-
무거워.
But you can check whole body. Check and you will feel like
One.
이렇게.
어디?
네.
이거 하나도 안 무거워. Squat with this.
네. 첫 번째로 허리벨트 채워주시고요.
네.
허리벨트.
지금?
네. Don't stand up.
오케이.
Don't stand up. stand up.
very good. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Broken. It feels like a part of my body. It's kind of stuck to me. It feels like I have twin sister or brother on my back.
How about this?
It's amazing.
Comfortable or
진짜 편해요.
편하죠?
Oh,
네.
I tried to by hand. It's so heavy, but now it's like really, it feels like.
그래서 제가 한 손으로 들어보라고 한
어,
거예요.
너무 힘들어.
다르죠?
어.
완전 달라.
나 이거 진짜 편해요. 이거 머리도 진짜 편해.
편하죠?
어.
네? 만져봐. 저거는 이제 여성분.
좀더 큰 것도 여성분 있어요?
I can do. It's good for
안
workout.
나오는
16 kilo squat.
너무 커요. 여성분들이 매시기에 80m를 꽉 채우잖아요. 뒤에 보면 다리밖에 안 나와요.
Oh, this is really
다리
good.
나오질 않는데
I like it.
생산을 안 해요.
I'm gonna love the
털이 뭐가
camping
나오기는
even more.
하거든요. 근데 그
그래야지 걔들이 빨리 붙어줘. 하나밖에 없으니까. 블랙다이먼드
I have to counting now how much I have to spend for everything. So, last thing, which one was the most in love backpack? He gave me discount 25%. Okay, and I'm gonna counting now. 950 plus 660. From my 1,200,000 become 3,216,000. Almost 3 times more than I have. I'm gonna buy backpack 100%. I'm gonna get the backpack. It was super comfortable. I never expecting. There is maybe few things I'm gonna think about also, but I think I'm gonna try to find other stuff secondhand. So for now, it's kind of surprised me how much expensive was it, but after I found the backpack, I'm even so much more exciting for my winter mountain climbing and sleeping in the tent. It's gonna be for sure amazing. I cannot wait to experience this, and for sure I'm gonna collect all the gear I need and enjoying this year for sure. So Korea mountain, white mountain worked for us. Give me some, maybe you can write some comments when I can buy some nice stuff and give me some advance. I don't have too much time, so any origin advice, it's really useful. So please write down in comments, subscribe, and got some like for me. And see you soon. Thank you for watching. Next time we're going to mountain.